Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Panda Photographer, and what I'm about to show you is a very interesting studio. Now, this is a 5x5 public storage studio that I'm renting out, and I decided that it would be best to stop going to the public library sometimes when I want to just pre-record some of my unboxings and some of my videos. So I decided to take my public storage unit and make it into a YouTube mini 5x5 studio. So disclaimer, public storage did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this video just to show you how I'm getting my work done when products are sent to me for free. So when brands do send products to me for free, I can get the work done in a very quiet environment. Yes, sometimes it's not quiet, but most of the time it is, as you can see in here right now. But just showing you transparency. So what I'm about to show you is something amazing. So take everything what you see with a grain of salt and what you're about to witness with a grain of salt, okay? So this is my YouTube studio. Let me move all this out the way. So this is my table. I found this table outside. It's a piece of flat surface that I found. I have some crates underneath the table holding the table up. Got that 5-in-1 backdrop with the Sunway Photo FL90 RGB lights on light stands, by the way. And I got that smooth camera gear T8 with that Sunway Photo M3 micro rail system with a newer 50mm to 60mm clamp for Art Swiss compatibility with this Sunway Photo Art Swiss, with the new Long Z quick release Sunway Photo PCR01 cage that I DIY made a project using Maven filters. So when I do need to use Maven filters, so when I'm in here, my Pelican will be my chair. I sit here on this little cushion. When I sit, I get to see the screen, but also the product. And as you can see from this view, looking from that view, this is the setup, everyone. It's small, very small, but it's going to do the job pretty well, as you can see. I got these the Archibixis lights. Got that at what, 1%. Yeah, that's 1%. Not using that much battery from the LED lights, and it's exposing my light pretty decently right now. So I just wanted to show you guys, and please do subscribe, like, and share, and support the channel if you can. If you want this project to be a little bit better, there's a PayPal Cash App rumor where I can buy some other things from Home Depot to make this a little bit better. If you guys want to contribute to the mini YouTube studio here. But I want to say thank you to Smooth Camera Gear for sending me the T8, by the way, because I'm using this for all of my video production, for all my products. So yeah, very, very professional fluid head, everyone. If you are a filmmaker or an amateur filmmaker, trust me, it is worth buying the Smooth Camera Gear T8 system, which I have the whole complete carbon fiber system. It's ideal, trust me. But this is the setup, everyone, and you can see I can zoom in. But also, if I want extra light, I got the Sunway Photo FL16. So if I want extra light, you can see there's a little bit more light to the subject now onto the screen. So yeah, I just want to show you the difference. You can see how it's like much darker now, a little bit more. Yeah. You see how there's more shadow? So with that said, everyone, if you like what you see here, please give me a kudos, give me a thumbs up. This is what I am doing as a homeless documentarian, photographer, filmmaker, professional photographer. I said that already, right? Yeah, I did. Consultant. I'm doing the best I can, everyone, in a small space like this. And the audio here, it's bouncing off this metal, which is, it sounds good. It sounds pretty decent. I might add some foam just to give it a little bit more softness to my voice. But like I said, if you guys want to help contribute to make, this 5x5 little mini YouTube studio better, trust me, it does go a long way if you help, and yeah, you get a shout out too. So with that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in the next DIY tutorial YouTube studio. But with that said, everyone, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.